Looking for new ways to find and work with thought leaders? The challenge is in finding authentic influencers who are true thought leaders, people with deep insights, expertise, and unique creativity. That's why some of the largest brands, such as BCW, Cisco, IBM, Oracle, PwC, SAP, have turned to Thinkers360, the world's first and most comprehensive opt-in network of the world's foremost thought leaders, including academics, analysts, authors, consultants, influencers, and speakers. With over 15 million followers on social media, our unique algorithms measure thought leadership and authentic influence in a way that's impossible through social media alone. Our services include influencer marketing. Find exactly the right influencers for your needs using advanced search features, in-depth profiles, customized reports, specialized leaderboards, and personal introductions. Content marketing. Showcase your executives by having Thinkers360 manage their content, build their media kits, write custom articles and interviews, and share them with our influencers and their tribes. Thinkers360 Speaker Bureau. The Thinkers360 Speaker Bureau has zero transaction fees and can often save you over 400% compared to working with traditional agents and bureaus. At Thinkers360, we're reimagining thought leadership, redefining how authentic influence is measured, outpacing the alternatives, and delivering exceptional value for brands and influencers alike. Thinkers360 is your access to influence. For more details, contact us today at info@thinkers360.com.